Hello everyone! The following footage you're about to see is from my first time ever planespotting. And of course, I'm an idiot and I didn't think of showing it to you guys until now. This spot we were planespotting at, we also have been kicked out of. But anyway, enjoy this footage from my first time ever planespotting.
This is the Southwest Colorado 1 livery.
Here comes the... Oh, I gotta record. Alright, I gotta record.
Here he comes.
You don't get better than this, guys.
Whoa.
Not bad,
Touchdown.
huh?
There he is.
Here comes the Delta.
Where is he?
Here comes.
Where is he?
Coming, he's about to come past. There he goes.
Bye.
Here comes the next jet coming from this way.
Which one is it?
Here comes the Alaska Toontown livery.
Aaron, I can't.
Zoom in.
Whoa.
Town livery.
Rotate. Here he comes.
This is
A321. Oh, that's a big one. Nice. Easy.
got an A320.
Oh, sweet.
Oh god!
Yep, he's in takeoff.
Emirates. Look at that.
Oh my god!
There he is.
Oh my god!
That's
Oh my
crazy.
gosh, he's right there. There's the cutter.
What is this remote hotspot failure?
Here, let you go.
Huh?
I reset it. Ian, ask for approval. Automatic.
Oh, you could hear his
And
engine.
now you can automatically share me.
Oh, yep, it's shut. Here it goes.
Yes, here it comes.
Here comes the Emirates. There she goes. He hasn't even rotated. There goes the cutter.
The Delta. 747.
There he comes. Meow.
The Delta Embraer is about to take off. I'm not.
Oh, that was a little hard.
I guess.
Where is he?
787.
There he is.
Look how big!
That is a massive airplane. Wow. Here he comes. Wait, it's an Alaska A321?
Delta, right?
Here he comes. Nice, that was good. Virgin Atlantic.
That doesn't look like a 787.
I know, I
It
don't.
does look too small.
It's a Dreamliner, I think. A220.
Hey, what?
It's an A220. Ooh, nice. 737 Alaska.
Alright, here comes the
Here comes
That
the
means
biggest
it came
plane of the
from
night.
all the way to the other side of the United States.
The London 787 Dreamliner. Oh my gosh, it's so loud. Oh, that was butter. Nice. This is a massive 787-9 Dreamliner. Turkish Airlines, baby. Nice. This is the last plane of the night. 757 Aurora Borealis livery, Iceland Air. Oh, it's so loud. That is a very cool livery. Nice landing, dude.